Our next category is going to be in a different area, and it's called cardiac. So where do you think that bad boy is going to be located? Obviously, it's in the heart. It's got cardia in the name. So this guy is going to be found in the heart. What's the heart's job? The heart's job is to pump the blood through all the blood vessels, through all the arteries and veins and capillaries throughout your body, and get that nutritious blood to the cells, get the oxygen to the cells. Its job is to pump it. So it has muscle that allows it to do so, and it's specialized muscle in the heart called cardiac muscle. When you look at this slide, these cells also look kind of long, but a giveaway that you're looking at cardiac muscle cells are these guys. So look at these really long cells. Here's another one that's really long. But if you look at this, I hope you can notice these dark areas where the cells connect. These dark areas are called intercalated discs. Intercalated discs. So intercalated discs are super cool. They are going to have these little gap junctions where the two cells meet up at this intercalated disc, which is this dark area on the slide is the intercalated disc, and they have these gap junctions, and that is going to allow one cell to talk to the next cell. It's super cool. Cardiac muscle cells all talk to each other, and they all move as one functional unit. It's functional syncytium. Super cool stuff. So cardiac muscle cell has these. These are kind of a giveaway. These intercalated discs. The big guys, nucleus. Nucleus. The big ovals are nucleus. Don't get the nuclei confused with the intercalated discs. Intercalated discs. All of these, again, these little guys that are going against the length of the cell, transverse to it, are going to be intercalated discs. The big ovals are the nuclei. The skinnier lines going perpendicular are going to be intercalated discs. So these are very long cells. They have intercalated discs, and occasionally you will note that they branch. So here's one that is branching, comes along and he splits. So these guys can branch. They have intercalated discs. They have a nucleus. They are uninucleate instead of the skeletal muscle what we saw before that had multiple nuclei in there. These guys just have one. So just one nucleus per cell, uninucleate, branching. They too, like skeletal muscle, are going to have striation. So I don't think this picture really shows it, but I promise you that there are striations on this type of tissue where we're going to have our fibers overlap. Our actin and myosin are going to overlap. So they are striated. These are going to have uninucleate, just one nucleus. They have intercalated discs. They branch. And what's another thing? Their control. Do you tell the heart to beat? No. No, you don't. So since you don't tell it to do its thing, it is on our autonomic nervous system. This is not going to be voluntary. This is involuntary. So where skeletal muscle is voluntary, your cardiac, your heart is involuntary. You don't tell it what to do. So it is pumping the blood, autonomic nervous system.